Hi, how are you? I just want to say hello to everybody out there. My name is Candy, and a lot of you may not know me, but I'm Candy Love. I'm sorta like Nikki, but I don't like the licky. Every time the niggas come around, they just wanna stick me. When I pop the coochie on them, they can't resist me. So when I tell them niggas to lick me, they say, I only wanna stick it. Sticking you the most is what I like to do best. Striking you the best cannot make me do. Oh, hey, hey, don't hate, congratulate. Yeah. I hope y'all like my new braids. I did my own hair, so if anybody out there want their hair done, holla. Candy Love's got skills. Baby, hope you enjoy my hair, man. I look gorgeous. Gorgeous. Like, woo! What's good, man? What's poppin', y'all? Candy loves you. Holla. Yeah. I love my hair. Y'all, y'all look at my hair. Look, I did my own hair. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Peace, and I'm out. A bowl of hair grease. Don't hate, congratulate. Yeah, yeah. Now I'm out. Peace. I love y'all. Holla. Yeah. Look at my hair. I look so sexy, y'all. Damn. Holla. 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 Yeah. Peace. Hope y'all enjoy. Candy got skills, y'all. She can do hair. She can rap. And she can paint. Like what? Oh yeah. Look how long my braids are, y'all. They sexy, ain't they? Yeah. And this is all my hair, y'all. Nothing fake. Yeah, I just dyed the color red. Bam! Enjoy. Yeah. Holla.